Hi, Real Trading Toolers. Here you have a quick tutorial on how to install TraderCompanion on Mac. After you receive the email from us with the download links, go to Download for Mac. Once the download is ready, you should have this package. If you try to open the package and face this issue, go to System Preferences, then to Security and Privacy, and click Open Anyway right here. Right. Now this is the installer. After you go through the installer, you'll find the app in the Application section. Good. Drag the app to your desktop and open it. In the license section of the app, introduce the same email as the purchase one, then type in your own serial key, like a password. Almost done. Now go to Setup section and choose which platform you're gonna use. Here we're gonna just click Open and that's it. Go open MetaTrader and you should find TraderCompanion right here in the Expert Advisor section. Drag it over the chart. Tick all these boxes. And don't forget to activate algo trading up here. Now the app is ready for some trades. Let's get that bag.